Welcome back, gamers! Today, we're diving into the immersive world of virtual reality with the Sony PlayStation VR2 Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle. Now, let's start with the unboxing experience. As soon as you open the package, you're greeted with sleek white packaging that immediately sets the tone for what's inside. The bundle includes the PlayStation VR2 headset, controllers, and the highly anticipated Horizon Call of the Mountain game. Moving on to the design of the PlayStation VR2 headset, it's evident that Sony has put a lot of thought into its aesthetics. The white color scheme gives it a modern and futuristic look, while the build quality feels sturdy and durable. Putting it on, you'll notice how comfortable it is, thanks to the adjustable head strap and well-padded cushions around the eyes. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, Horizon Call of the Mountain. As a renewed bundle, you might have concerns about the game's performance, but rest assured, it delivers an unforgettable experience. The graphics are stunning, and the gameplay mechanics are smooth and responsive. Whether you're exploring the vast landscapes or engaging in intense battles, every moment feels immersive and captivating. One aspect that stands out is the integration of the PlayStation VR2 controllers with the game. The motion tracking is incredibly accurate, allowing for precise movements and interactions within the virtual world. Whether you're wielding a bow or engaging in hand-to-hand combat, the controllers add an extra layer of immersion to the gameplay. In terms of content, the bundle offers excellent value for money. Not only do you get the PlayStation VR2 headset and controllers, but you also get a copy of Horizon Call of the Mountain, providing hours of entertainment right out of the box. Plus, with the renewed certification, you can trust that the hardware has been thoroughly inspected and refurbished to meet Sony's high standards. Overall, the Sony PlayStation VR2 Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle is a must-have for any VR enthusiast or Horizon fan. With its sleek design, immersive gameplay, and excellent value for money, it's sure to provide countless hours of entertainment. So if you're ready to step into the world of virtual reality like never before, this bundle is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.